Now let's see who this ghost bear really is.
Cookie? Cookie?
Cookie!
Uncle Cookie, why? WWE is your life.
WWE was his life, but sadly your Uncle Cookie never got the glory.
And his injury put him out of the spotlight.
Permanently.
He started to truly resent WWE because he knew he could never be the champion he always dreamed of being.
That resentment grew into hatred over the years as he trained others to be what he could not.
That's when he developed his plan for revenge.
But that wouldn't be enough. He needed a pawn to steal the championship belt.
That's when he devised the idea of hacking into a video game and placing post-hypnotic suggestions into it.
That game would become part of a contest, which Cookie set up with fake emails he sent throughout WWE.
That's why he used the bear to attack your video game studio, to cover his tracks.
The contest assured that only the most skilled pawn would arrive at WWE City to aid in the theft. Cookie then used flashing lights to activate Scooby's post-hypnotic programming.
When Cookie identified the belt in Scooby's bed as the championship belt, he was lying. He'd already switched them.
With Scooby taking the blame, Cookie was free to carry out his ultimate plan.
Which was to turn out the lights and, with the help of the bear, create so much panic and injury that WrestleMania would be completely ruined and WWE would never recover.
But thanks to Fred here, we got the lights back on pretty quick. Good work.
Thanks.
And the real championship belt, where is it now?
Elementary, my dear Mr. McMahon. Cookie's wearing it.
Sorry, Cookie, but the championship belt isn't for cheaters, it's for champions.